The Nyquist Stability Interactive Calculator determines system stability parameters from Nyquist Plot characteristics. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Gain and phase margin from Nyquist Plot, stability from encirclements and poles, critical gain from phase crossover, phase margin from gain crossover, gain margin from phase crossover, or complete stability analysis. For this demonstration, I'm using gain and phase margin from Nyquist Plot. Enter your gain crossover frequency OGC in radians per second, phase crossover frequency OPC in radians per second, phase at OGC in degrees, and gain at OPC in decibels. Additional fields include number of encirclements, N, RHP poles of GS, HS, P, magnitude at OPC, linear, and gain at OGC in decibels. Here's a worked example. I'll input 10 for all fields, gain crossover frequency, 10 radius, phase crossover frequency, 10 radius, phase at OGC 10 degrees, gain at OPC 10 dB, number of encirclements 10, RHP poles 10, magnitude at OPC 10, and gain at OGC 10 dB. After clicking Calculate Stability, the results show gain margin equals negative 10.00 dB, phase margin equals 190 degrees, and system stability shows unstable. The negative gain margin confirms instability since stable systems require positive gain margins. This calculator simplifies complex stability analysis for control system design. Find the link in the description below.